In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email linked to your Behance account. Now, it's important to understand that your Behance account is closely tied to your Adobe ID, which is basically the email address you use to log in to every Adobe service. So, if you're planning to update your email for Behance, you'll be adjusting your Adobe ID as well. Let's walk through the steps needed to successfully update this information. First, make sure you're logged into your Behance account. Once you're comfortably inside, head over to the Settings section. This is your central hub for managing account details and preferences, and from here, we'll navigate to the relevant part for our email change. Next, you'll need to click on the option labeled Edit this Adobe ID on adobe.com. This is a direct link that will take you to your Adobe account profile, where the actual change will occur. Once you've arrived on the Adobe account profile page, direct your attention to the Profile tab. Here, you'll find a segment labeled Account Information and Access. This section holds the key to changing your primary email. Look for an option that says Change next to Primary Email, which is also referred to as your Adobe ID. Clicking this will open the door to a new window where you can input your new email address. Carefully type in your new email, and once you are satisfied that it's entered correctly, click the Save button. But wait, there is one more important step to seal the deal. Adobe isn't just going to take your word for it. It will send you a verification email to the new address you provided. Head over to your email inbox, find the message from Adobe, and open it. Inside, you'll see a link meant for confirming the change. Click on this link, and your updated email address will be all set in their records. This is a critical step because until you click that link, the change won't actually take effect. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully updated the email address linked to your Adobe ID, ensuring you can now use this new email for logging into Behance and any other Adobe service you use. Changing your email like this helps maintain access and keeps all notifications in one convenient place. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.